It's a new year, but it's the same Spruce Knob. High elevation, high heart rates, gritty gravel, fun dirt, and fast descents. This is GRUSK. Step up and take on the mountain as we race through the gorgeous mountain state, West Virginia. Whoa. Throughout the race, racers will cross the Eastern Continental Divide and be amidst the watersheds of the Cheat, Greenbrier, and Potomac rivers. With course conditions transitioning from pavement, smooth dirt, chunky gravel, and unmaintained forest roads, you are sure to be challenged as well as thrilled in the mountain state.
Oh yeah!
Almost there! Almost there!
Choose from several different length races, such as the Grande 100-mile, Tall 80-mile, Medial 50-mile, the Spruce Highlights Tour 25-mile, and the daunting GRUSK Venti 220-mile. Pick your challenge today and get registered. Register at www.bikereg.com/GRUSK. Registration closes June 25th. Take on Spruce Knob. GRUSK, July 6th to 8th, 2023.